In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a follow-up task in Asana. Follow-up tasks are really useful when you want to make sure nothing falls through the cracks after you complete or review an existing task. Instead of creating a brand new task from scratch and trying to remember the context, Asana lets you quickly create a related task that stays connected to the original work. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that in just a few clicks. First, open Asana and navigate to the project and task list where you're already working. Take a moment to scan your list and identify the task you want to follow up on. This might be something you've just finished, something that needs a check-in later, or a task that triggers another action for you or someone on your team. Once you've found the right item in your list or board view, select that task with your mouse so you can interact with it. Next, move your cursor over that task and right-click on it. If you're using a trackpad, this might be a two-finger click. Or you may need to hold a special key depending on your device settings. The key point is that you want to open the context menu for that specific task. This menu is where Asana hides a lot of powerful shortcuts, including the option we need for our follow-up. After you right-click, a small menu will appear beside the task. Look through the options and find the one that says Create a follow-up task. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you select it, Asana will create a new task that's automatically linked to the original one. This new follow-up task usually pulls in some of the important context, like the task name or a reference to the original, so you remember why you created it in the first place. From here, you can rename the follow-up to be more specific, assign it to yourself or a teammate, set a due date, and add any notes or details you'll need later. Using this feature, instead of starting from scratch, keeps your workflow organized and makes it much easier to track related work over time. Anytime you think, I'll need to come back to this, just right-click the task and turn it into a follow-up so Asana can remind you at the right moment.